is Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks you can make with your kids. Today, let's make gingerbread houses. There's just one catch: no actual gingerbread. Instead, we'll use graham crackers. By keeping the shape of the house simple, we can spend more time decorating, and it's more likely to actually stand up, at least until someone eats it. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check the Banneker Facebook page tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.